Hi, thank you so much for stopping by the channel. So my name is Palma and you're welcome to the channel. And thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're not G, you know how we do it. Thank you so much for coming back. So today we are exploring a very essential topic, right? I'm going to walk you through how to, get this nice background. It's fake, this fake background actually. This is the original background and this is the fake background. You see the difference? We are going to use three different apps. We are going to use Leonardo AI. Is not really an app. You just check on Google. You just search for it on Google, and then we are going to use Canva, which you have to download, and we are going to use Canva, sorry, and CapCut, which you have to download that one. So you have to download these two apps, Canva and CapCut, and then we just search for the third one on Google. Let's just go into the video. So you open Google and then just type in Leonardo AI. I've searched it already, so you can see it's there, Leonardo AI. And then the first thing that comes under the O is the one you select. This is how it should come out, and then you just create an account. You tap on create an account. Use Google. That one is quite faster. So once you tap on Google, it will automatically select your email, and then you know bring out your email. You select the one you want. If you have multiple emails, you select the one you want, and then the account is created. Basically that. Now there's this box that you type in what you want the AI to create for you, right? So I just searched um YouTube background with artificial plants and office like. I'll just leave it in the description box so you can check it out. And then this is the images I got. After you get the images, you are satisfied with it, you just select the one you want, and then you tap on the download, that small download sign there, and then you view it. Once you view, then you tap on the share like I have. You scroll down and then you select save. We are doing all this on our phone, mind you. So you select save image, then this image should go to your photos. So let's go and check our photos if it's there. I selected a couple of them, so this is one of them. This is the one we just saved. And then once you save that, we are done with Leonardo AI. We go to Canva. At Canva, when you open Canva, if you're familiar with it, this is how it comes like. Then you just tap on the plus button to create whatever you want to create for that day. But today you want to create a YouTube thumbnail. So the thumbnail, you just type YouTube thumbnail at the search button, and then you select the first option that comes. It has the YouTube measurement and everything. So you select the first one that comes, and then when it opens, it automatically takes you to either pictures or upload. Down there you see design, um you see upload as well. So you go to upload, and then it will show you the previous pictures you've uploaded. If you want to upload new one, just tap on upload new photo, and then it will take you to your photos. Simply that, no big deal. Then just select and upload it. It will come and add to the ones you've uploaded already. Then you select that one. Now you stretch it to size it to fit the measurements we have for the YouTube thumbnail, because it's the same measurements for your YouTube video, right? And so once that is done, you go to the download button at the top there to save the picture. So once I tap on it, you see it comes save image, and then you save the image. Save image down there, you save the image, and then it should also go to your photos. So once when we check photos, we'll see the this how it will come like. This is the first one, and then this is how the second one looks like. It will give you the landscape and then the portrait. So we choose the landscape. Now we open CapCut. This is how CapCut is. We tap on new project, and then we are going to select photo, you see, and then we select the photo we edited at Canva. That's going to be our first image we are going to upload to CapCut, and then you stretch it to any minute or any, how it depends on how long your video you are going to use is. But then me originally I did it for like 3 minutes, because you can go back and then stretch it more if you want. So you stretch it to the length you want, and then you go back and you go to overlay, right? You see overlay down there, you go to overlay, and when you tap on overlay, it will ask you to add an image. Then you select the video you want to edit there, right? So you add the video to um CapCut, and then this is the video I want to edit. You see it's moving. You can expand it, you can stretch it, you can do whatever you want with it. You can edit it however you want to do with it. So then you go to um cut out, and then when you go to cut out, you see remove background. You just remove the background, and basically that is all. Now when you tap on that, you can go to blur. You can go to effect, and then you choose blur, and then blur will blur out the background images. And just follow the tutorial and you get it. Trust me, it's very very simple. So yeah, I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, let me know in the comment section what you'd want me to do next. This is something I saw somewhere and I thought I could also share with you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for stopping by the channel once again. My name is Palma, and I'll see you guys in the next video. My next video, I'm going to share my YouTube analytics with you. I've finally reached the threshold, so I'm going to share YouTube small channel, like those things, those for concerned people. Stay tuned and come back. But don't forget to subscribe, like, and give this video a thumbs up so that whoever needs it will find it. And thank you so much. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Mwah. Bye.